All right, he's got the pouch. That's where I've been seeing him every week. He's got a ton of cash in there.
Hey, this can be easy.
This is about as easy as it gets. It's gonna be like taking candy from a baby. Let's get him.
Let's just talk this over. Good, man. Take it easy.
Come on, man.
Well, looks like your concealed carry permit checks out, sir. Tell me again what happened here.
Oh, I'll tell you what happened, all right. Somebody picked the wrong guy.